Hello there and welcome to Warmy. I'm Roman, your guide in the universe of email deliverability. Today we're going to explore something crucial for everyone who has a domain, a record. Let's dive in. First off, what's exactly a record? Well, think of it as the GPS coordinates of your website or domain. It's the magical link that connects your domain name to the specific IP address of your server. Without a record, your website would be like a house without an address. Impossible to find. Now, why this little piece of internet magic is so important? Simple, it's the foundation of how the web works. When you type a website address into your browser, the A record tells your computer exactly where to fetch that website. It's like the phone book of internet, linking names and numbers. But here where it gets really cool. A records are super flexible. You can have multiple A records for your domain, which is great for creating backups or spreading traffic across multiple servers. Now you might ask, how is an A record different from a CNAME record? Great question. While an A record points directly to an IP address, CNAME is more like a nickname or an alias. It's useful for things like creating subdomains or pointing multiple domain names to the same website. Let's break it down with an example. Say you have a website hosted at the IP address 1.2.3.4. You could set up an A record for example.com pointing to 1.2.3.4. Then you could create a CNAME record for blog.example.com pointing to example.com. This way, both addresses lead to the same place, but you only need to change the IP address in one place if it changes. Now, for those of you who love to get their hands dirty with technical stuff, here's the pro tip. You can query DNS entries yourself. It's a great way to troubleshoot issues or just satisfy your curiosity. There are plenty of online tools that can help you with it, or you can use command line tools if you're feeling extra geeky. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. A records link domain names to IP addresses. They're crucial for making your website accessible. You can have multiple A records for one domain. They are different from CNAMEs, which act more like aliases. And remember, if you need any other help with email deliverability topics, be sure to check our help center. The link is in the description. We've got tons of helpful articles to keep you emailing like a pro. Thanks so much for watching, Warmers. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe for more email deliverability tips. I'm Roman from Warmy and I will see you next time.